To start with expense entry in Bill 4 Time, first log into your account and navigate to the Expenses tab. From there, click on the New Expense button to begin the process. Enter the date the expense was incurred, the expense type, and the vendor or payee. You can choose from a list of predefined expense types, or create a new one if needed. Next, enter the total amount of the expense, including any taxes or fees. You can also add a description of the expense, which is helpful for tracking and reporting purposes. If the expense is billable to a client, select the client and project from the drop-down menus. You can also choose the billing method, such as hourly or flat fee. To attach a receipt or other supporting documentation, click the paperclip icon and upload the file from your computer. This helps to keep all relevant documents in one place and makes it easier to track expenses. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click the Save button to record the expense. You can then view and edit the expense from the Expenses tab, or generate reports to track your expenses over time. Best practices for expense entry in Bill 4 Time include regularly reviewing and reconciling your expenses to ensure accuracy and completeness. It is also a good idea to set up a system for tracking and categorizing expenses, such as using expense types and categories to organize your expenses. By following these steps and using Bill 4 Time to track your expenses, you can simplify your expense management process and gain valuable insights into your business finances.